Hi folks, we're back on the project, the greenhouse project. Lots of tires, um, more tires, and my friend Paul came to help. And we got the tires up several layers, and then we put on some locust logs. Unfortunately, they're not very straight, but we'll deal with that. And bermed up the dirt on the backs there. This south side, right here, is bermed up so that it's level, and got the turkeys packing it in. Smoothing out the top of the logs there with the chainsaw, and then I'll put some 2x10s on top to smooth it out so all the rafters can sit in the same spot. There were some discrepancies with the tires, different sizes, and some low spots, so this evened it out. Have to take a little break here for some
Not yet?
natives.
You know what Tarzan does? He goes,
Some of my renters.
Okay.
With the plates all leveled off, they're ready to receive the rafters, which will sit directly over the short studs. Now I can start on the rafters. The rafter pairs, I'll need 9 of these. Make them on the ground, cut the angles, and then I put a little metal plate over the peak here to hold it all tight together. Some time has passed, as you can tell by the white complexion of the ground. And the last clip I was in a t-shirt, I think. But so we got the rafters up. Paul and the kid that's working with him came over, and the 3 of us got these up. They were just about what 3 people could do, tipping them up. And so we have all the sets up here, and they're pretty high. It's I'd say it's about 16 feet to the peak there. And I had to scab these 2x10s. I didn't have long enough pieces of 2x10 to go from the peak all the way down, because that would have been 20 some feet. So I scabbed them right here. So they're all connected there. I've got a metal plate and then some boards on the outside. And I'm also going to run a post down to the ground, and this will be set into the ground a little bit, and the post will be kind of on an angle like that. So I'll end up having, this bay will be for chickens. This middle part will be for taller tree plantings. There'll be an aisleway, and then there'll be a bed 4 feet out from the window there. That'll be for greenhouse stuff, and it'll go around the corner. So it'll be combination greenhouse and chicken winter storage, so that they won't have to stay in their coops there in the winter. And I was thinking the other day that I'm probably going to actually extend it. I'm going to run some more beams out here and some more rafters out, maybe another 10 or 12 feet, maybe even more than that, maybe 16 feet, I don't know. And then this part will just be an open bay where I could drive in. There'll be a wall there for the greenhouse. And then this part here, I'll be able to just pull something in. It'll still have the big greenhouse window on this side, as will be over here. And I'll be able to pull in there and do stuff, do projects in the winter out of the snow, or in the summer out of the rain. That's the plan anyway. Wave to the people. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.